Welcome to this video demonstration on a new feature for OpenSDG, the Metadata Report. The Metadata Report is a new feature of OpenSDG. Its function is to give teams a high-level view of all the indicators being reported on in the metadata files. It's also fully customizable with what fields any platform will find useful to see. You will find the Metadata Report on the Data Documentation site alongside the Disaggregation Report. On the main page of the Metadata Report, you will find the By Metadata Field table. This table shows fields selected, which is customizable in the config files, as well as number of indicators, number of values, a downloadable CSV of the table, and all of the metadata fields linked to their pages, which shows a more in-depth look as you can see here. On this page, we can see what geographical coverage there is for the indicators the UK is reporting on. You can also dive deeper and see specifically what indicators are only covered by England here. Below the metadata field table, you will find the indicator table, which shows all of the fields with data for each indicator. The indicators all link off to their respective pages on the UK SDG data site with their descriptions and reported data, as you can see here. The rest of the table also links off to a list of all the other indicators that share the same data point. For example, here I can click and see all of the indicators that are designated as Tier 1. You're also able to download a CSV of this table here. To customize these metadata fields, you will need to make changes to the config data file. The metadata fields are located at the bottom of the config_data file. Your fields must have a key and label to be added to the report, as shown here. Thank you for watching this video demonstration on the new Metadata Report.